Now, this has always blown my mind for a while now, and almost 80% of you guys who watch my content regularly are not yet subscribed to the channel. So, before we get started, guys, if you guys love the content I put out and you want to find ways to support the channel, the best way you can do that is by hitting the subscribe button down below. And my commitment to you is that I will make sure I'll do everything in my power to make sure I put the best quality content with each and every single upload. And with that, I'll listen to your feedback. I'll continue to gather ideas and continue to listen to each and every single comment you guys put down below my videos. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for the support for all the years. And now let's get back into the video. Ooh, there we go. Whew. Snow day on Christmas Eve. Let's have some fun, man. Alright, so I got 2 hours of snow here. Let's make it count. Oh, I love the color here. Ooh. All right, crisis averted. We now got gloves. Oops. This way. Oh no, there's an umbrella. All right. I totally missed it. Oh, that happens every single time. All right, we're gonna go back over here though. All right. All right. I'll crop it in. Camera's good. Nice. Oh yeah, of course there's a line. And they're kind of slow because there's a line over there. They literally can go over here. Sorry.
Hello. Hello.
It's like, bro, I don't wait in line, bro. I don't wait in line, bro. I'm a shoot photographer. I do what I want. Uh-huh. We can do a long exposure right here. Get my settings right. We'll do F11, 4 seconds. ISO 100. I want a bus. That's what I want. Continue the shooting on high. And I'll wait for a bus to come over here. Please tell me I got one of those, like a decent one, a pretty good one. Okay. Okay, I got a few to work with. All right, I got a few to work with. That's fine. All right, cool. So I'm gonna change batteries, and then I'm going to go head down to Central Park and shoot there, and that'll be the last spot for the video. I mean, I'll keep shooting, but yeah, I want to enjoy this. All right, cool. New battery. Camera is dry. All right, let's get back out there. Let's get it. Ooh, it's warm. Let's get it. Oh, all right. Let's go. Level 3. Slush. See me? Ooh, I love that shot. Oh, it's so good. I'm definitely gonna crop that in. That is a great shot. I just love it. Oh, that's honestly the best shot of the day. That's probably the best shot of the day, hands down. Or hey, I could be wrong. I could be wrong. You know, y'all can tell me which one's your favorite photo of the video. But I think that one's the best one. Oh, that's so good. Oh, wow. Bro, I love snow days, bro. Snow days are like the freaking best, bro. Bro, snow days are the freaking best. Bro, I'll be in Chicago next month. Hopefully I get lucky. It's like, bro, like every photo I've taken, it just adds character because you got the snow, you got the lights, you got everything that supports the character. Like, it's just so easy. Oh yeah, here we go.
Oh yeah.
It is a rule. Whoa. Y'all seeing this? Now, fun fact though, like I've shot in the snow here plenty of times before, but this is the first time me shooting like in Central Park. Like I've never shot here before in the snow. You know what? I woke up at 6 in the morning for this. It was definitely worth it. It is definitely worth it for this. I am slipping. Bro, I am not falling today.
Favorite New York river.
go behind you. Okay, let me put my phone down. I can't help it.
Jeez, I don't know if I want to put any music on in this part. I feel like just the serene quietness of the snow, you know, just from my feet, I think it's enough. Woo. I can crop that in. Wait, guys, you don't see this, but oop, there is a hawk right there. Ooh, and this. I didn't know this existed. Yo, hold on. There's a hawk right there. Hey, buddy. Don't attack me. Please do not attack me. I don't know if y'all can see it. It's like right there. It's just chilling. Hold on. You're not really in focus, bud. He's not bothered by me. He's like, dude, what are you doing? Okay, it's not pinpointing it. It's okay. See you, bud. I just wanna get more of this. This is sick. I know this was here. They get more cars. Actually, we get one with no cars, and then I kind of want to do a long exposure right here. Yeah? Yeah. Screw them. Let's do it. Actually, let's focus on the road. All right. Jeez. Thank you. Of course. Hey?
Do you mind taking a picture of me?
Oh, sure. Whatever. Up to you. I don't know.
No, it's
With your phone?
her camera.
Sure, no problem.
Here. Can you give me your phone, Mom? My hands are freezing. Okay. Here. You got Tamron?
Huh?
Here.
Yeah, it's gone. I
Are you a
got you.
photographer?
I am, yes.
You are?
I am.
Why do you take the nice
Yeah. So, you know. That's fine.
Should I leave my hat like this?
That's fine. Yeah, it's fine. Come a little more, Larry, a little bit. A little bit more. That's perfect. Hold on. Nice. Here we go.
Thank you.
Yeah, of course. You good?
My hands are frozen. I can't see. Mom, can you click on it? Thank you so much.
No problem. Almost up. Oh my gosh. I gotcha. All right, we'll go back to that spot. I saw them, bros. I gotta run for it. Actually, there we go. See, now that is framing. Shoot through things, frame your subject. There it is. Oh man. Dude, I've probably taken like so many shots today. This might be a long POV. Whew. And kind of lied too, because I did say that the last tree POV I did was gonna be the last one of the year, and then it started snowing. You know? Like, I don't regret this. And also, like, I literally worked a late shift yesterday. Didn't get home probably till like 11:30, maybe midnight. Probably close to midnight. And it was supposed to start snowing at 7:30 in the morning. I was like, oh, man, I'm just tired, bro. I don't know if I want to do it. But I did. And I'm so freaking glad that I did it. I don't regret this at all. I think I might finish up real soon. And get some hot chocolate, man. Let's keep shooting that. Yeah, I got him. Yeah, I got him. I like this tree by itself. I don't know why. It's just like right by itself. You know, I'll make it work. Super cold, dude, really. Okay, that's better. That's actually better. I also kind of wanted someone to look at me, take a picture of them, so that one works. That one definitely works. Oh man, I am tired. But today was worth it. you know what? Let's make use of what we have. Oh my gosh. I want to get from the front, but this freaking jerk parked right here. You know what? This is good. A17, this is actually good. There we go. Cool. Wish I can get the front, but yeah. All right, now I'm good. Back to the studio.
All right, and that's going to be the end of the video. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know I did. Shooting in the snow is always a fun time to shoot in New York City. Apologies with the big rant at the end there. Like, I was about to take a picture of this vintage car from all angles around, and then I think the cart that was there, it belonged to a store that I was shooting from, and I think the store owns that car, so I could have just asked, like, hey, you know, can you give me like 2 minutes to shoot real quick the front, you know, because I had to change lenses, you know, and I do this, and he just pulled up. So but the car is always there, by the way. If you're shooting near Petrosian, if you go up that block, like on the, like along the adjacent side of the block there, that car is always there. So I can always just go back and shoot the front again. But yeah, like, this is the last video. Well, it's actually the first video of 2025. So happy New Year, guys. How was your New Year's? Hope it was great. Oh man, this is gonna be a great year. A great year for content. I'm gonna be in San Francisco in the next week, so that's gonna be a fun video. And in 2 months I'll be in Japan. That's gonna be the most exciting one right there, is Japan. I got so much content planned for Shibuya, Shinjuku, Tokyo, Osaka, Mount Fuji. I have a lot of content planned for that trip, so hope you guys are ready. And I got Lisbon, and we're going back to London and Paris later in the year. Oh, we got so much going on this year, guys. But also, let me know down below in the comments, what are you guys excited for this year? Are you excited for new opportunities? Are you excited for new video ideas that I'm putting out this year? If you guys have any travel ideas or inspirations that you want to share, leave them down below in the comment. Like, you know, I want to get some inspo too, you know. So yeah, just let me know what you guys are doing this year. Share any ideas you have for the channel and for the content, because I love getting ideas from you guys, because you guys inspire me the way I inspire you, you know. So it's always like a give and take kind of thing. So guys, thank you so much for just everything. Year 3, man. Here we go. Year number 3 on YouTube. I'm excited. I'm truly excited. But before we log off, I want to say, guys, thank you so much. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel down below, please. I have a huge goal this year, and my goal is to get 10,000 by the end of the year. And I believe we can do that. With your help, I believe we can do that. So guys, I will see you in San Francisco. I'm logging off. My name is North Established, aka Michael. I'll be seeing you. Peace.